y'all. Today is the day we do this install. Gonna be installing the smooth black deck lid on the 2013 Mustang GT convertible. And right now I'm just on the way to the store to get a drill or something that I can cut off the old gas cap little thing that's there when you remove the deck lid. So I'm getting that, and I'm getting some stuff to remove any excess adhesive that's there when I'm trying to put on the new aluminum tape and stuff like that. So yeah, we're on the way to the store, and we're gonna get right back with y'all. Taking out these two little bolts so I can get this deck lid loose, so I can just pop it out. Let's go. Alright, we got this one out. Now we can just take this off. You see it was already coming off. It was already popping off of there. Pop this side off. Stay up on there. Oh, it got some glue there. There you go. Put that to the side, and you come over here, you can see this. This is what it looks like. Who y'all? Nice little, you know what I'm talking about? Nice little circle. Yay. Yeah, so, alright, so what I did was I swapped out the cutting tool to the sanding tool, and I'm just gonna sand this area down a little bit. I don't want these little metal pieces sticking out and stuff like that. Make it look somewhat professional. Go ahead and wipe down these edges with some alcohol. Alright, so let's put this thing on there. Try to line it up.